Hey guys, it's Dallas Schilling here from the 2 Hour Circle, and today we have discovered there's a mushroom farm here in Harrisville. This is Matt.
Hello.
Matt's going to show us around. Come on Matt, let's go and check it out. Come on, we'll go for a walk. Awesome. Mushrooms, Harrisville. So Matthew, I can come in here and I can buy farm gate mushrooms, just like all the local restaurants do, yeah?
Yes, absolutely. Every Saturday, 10 till 4.
Oh, every Saturday, fresh mushrooms. I'll be busy in the kitchen, I reckon. What do you got for me there, Jen?
So we've got some king trumpets, we've got some black pearls and some blue oysters for you.
Chop, chop, chop. Happy days. So Matthew, I noticed something that I didn't expect to see. You've got your very own mushroom nursery. So what I'd like you to do is talk us through how to make a mushroom. Yeah?
Yeah, sure thing, absolutely. So basically we start out with the culture of the fungi that we want to grow, and then we transfer that onto some sterilised grains. You can see the little pieces of agar in there with the fungi on it. That will colonise these bags for our generation 1 grains, and then we transfer the generation 1 grains onto a second bag of generation 2 grains, and that will grow out and colonise, and then we can...
So it just goes on and on and on and on.
Yeah.
And you're going to show us next what the end result is, yeah? Oh Matthew, you're a dad. Hey, what is this? This is gorgeous.
These are our black pearl oysters, and these are monsters. We've grown these ones out to be monsters.
It's such a new baby, it's still got the plastic on it. See you guys next week, somewhere out in what we like to call the 2 Hour Circle. Bye for now.